Hi guys, I'm back with a tutorial of how to create a slip stitch. Whether you are joining rows, creating a seamless edge, or adding delicate details to your project, mastering the slip stitch is a must. Grab your hook and let's get started. I have a piece of work in progress here to show you how to apply slip stitches. Previously, we've learned how to crochet into the front loop, back loop, and the third loop. But if not specified, always insert your hook under both the front and back loops. You can start with the foundation chain I showed you in the previous tutorial. So the first step is to insert your hook to a stitch or a space where you want to make the slip stitch. Wrap the yarn over your hook. Use your hook to grab the yarn and pull it through both the stitch and the loop on your hook. I pull it through the stitch first and then through the loop on my hook. Basically, we just repeat that again and again. Insert hook, yarn over, and pull through both the stitch and the loop. I'm gonna make a few more times so you can crochet along with me. We usually apply slip stitches to join rows in circular crochet to move across stitches without adding height, like what I'm doing, to create a smooth edge or to add surface crochet details. And that's how to crochet a slip stitch. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.